Good morning, everyone. So we've been greeted by this weird-looking mist this morning. It's kind of all over town, so it's going to be interesting if that sticks around and we're trying to ride quad bikes in that. Anyway, time for some breakfast and quad biking and lots more Namibia fun.
This weather is crazy. Yesterday was all sun and blue skies, and now we've got this. Look at this mist. It's incredible. So yeah, off to go ride quads in the desert now. That is going to be super fun. I know that is going to be super fun. Going to thoroughly enjoy that. I still can't get over how pretty this hotel is. Old train station. How cool. It is go time. We're going to head out in the desert now. Everyone's just getting their helmets. How sexy are these hairnets?
Let's go paintballing.
Actually,
at least it's big.
That works for you.
It does.
I'll see it clearer now.
And of course, some camels over there. Because it's a desert, you need camels.
It's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies. I dare to leave you twice. There's no tomorrow here. I feel I'm all out of time. So tell me you stay behind. Make sure I get to the end. I hope you can see in the dark. It only takes just a little spark to fill up my head with the light. Lighting the path as I go.
How rad is this? Look what you did! Oh. Now that was funny. How does your first shower in ages feel?
Yeah, I think I'm sandblasted.
This has just been an incredible amount of fun. If you ever get the chance to get out to Swakopmund, you've got to come and check these guys out. That is it for our little desert adventure. How cool has this been? So much fun. I really enjoyed myself. Whoa! I think that is the most fun I have had in such a long time. Yeah, guys, seriously, get up to Swakopmund. I have had a blast here. It's catamaraning, airplane flights, four-wheel driving. They got sandboarding, they got skydiving, they got camel rides. The list just carries on and on and on. Oh yeah, excuse the crappy sound. I'm shooting on a GoPro today. But anyway, four-wheeling, total and utter fun. We have to go get onto an aeroplane now and go back to South Africa. Anyway, I will chat to you guys later. Have an awesome time. Whew. Man, that was fun.
I can try if you let me. With our lives, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine?
This has been a fantastic trip. Mind-blowing, just take everything in. It's amazing. I know you guys can't see anything, so let's pick you up and turn you around this way. I think you can see now. So like I was saying, this has really been a completely and utterly mind-blowing trip. Thank you so much to Legacy Hotel Swakopmund Hotel, to Sussi's Flay for our flight, to Catamaran Charters for our wonderful trip out in the ocean today. It really has just been exactly what my soul needed. I needed to get away. I needed to just get out and create, and you guys have all provided that, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really has been wonderful. So you can probably figure out that this has been a sponsored trip, but everything that I have said is 100% exactly how I feel. No one has paid me to say any of these things. I really enjoyed Namibia. Guys, you have a fantastic day, and I will chat to you very, very soon. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you're on Facebook. Give it a like, go follow the Hey Joburg page. If you're watching this on IGTV, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, so you can catch the rest of my videos. And other than that, I am going to get out of here. I will chat to you very, very soon. Cheers, Joburg.